Good afternoon. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, and everything in here is always entertainment and for educational purposes only. Never trade advice. Do your own research. Quick look at the trading account. We'll just pull over TradingView first. We saw a nice sweep down. Lunch macro PM session will make 1 minute bigger here. Just observing the Z contract, NQZ 2025. We'll see. We've revisited 25,000 after this morning, running through a previous inversion fair value gap on an hourly chart, as well as running into a suspension block, also on the hourly chart. Dipping just below it, hitting these two areas of liquidity. Funny how these green ones match, and look at where this price is reacting in these. So once this formed, I was looking for some longs to take out short-term liquidity. Jumped over just in the micros today since government shut down, not getting good reports. Still no news. So we get FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow afternoon. So my trades are very short-lived right now. Again, when we respected this, I didn't just draw that. That was there. That just happened. That was amazing to watch. So I said, let's take some long scalps. So I jumped in 20 contracts on micros. Scaled off 10 quickly just because I wasn't sure. I was a little ahead of myself. This is early, 15-second chart. This 15-minute close wasn't here yet, so the previous 15-minute was bearish. We're daily, we're bearish, all these bearish intonations right now, so it's a low risk from my stop was right here, but also good potential of it turning back around, so I just wanted short, quick scalps, so I was just targeting these highs, and eventually this high was my draw on liquidity, but I took off the first part right in here, and some accumulation. So first stage accumulation, reaccumulation, and then this is actually a little bit of greed where I closed everything out and I was up, and I said, you know what, it's really, narrative says it's probably going to go up here, but so I did scalp one more for 5 points, and I said, no, you know better than that, and just close it out. So I grabbed one more at 35 up to 40 and closed it out. So positions closed out now. Second green day we're on, and I'm going to be happy with that. Trading the PM session here. So there's a look at the daily's already taken the high to the low. I just took a quick scalp after. Then I'm going to be done. So I'm glad I take it after, and then price moves back down. So I don't like giving away profits. You've seen probably if you've watched any of my videos, but I don't expect a whole lot. Just trying to share what has helped me along this journey. 15-minute chart. That was from yesterday's trade. And then here's today's trade. So just quick scalping inside of these little bars and taking home some coin. Let's jump back over here. Just look at the whole day out of curiosity. So weekly, hourly, 15-minute, 1 minute. So let's look at the 15 with all the annotations. So that was yesterday's markup. Look at where it respected that, ran back up, started a new day, accumulation zone, ran up, hit previous day's high, straight down to previous day's low. I didn't participate in any of that. My body was regenerating. So I took a trade in the PM session today. All right. What are we doing? What time is it? It's 2:20 coming up in New York. New 15-minute. Daily low. At 11:45 was a daily low. Sweet free indicator tool. Thank you, David. Yeah, there's nice liquidity here. I'm not taking any more though. I'll just take a small piece and be done. That's the word of wisdom today. Grab your part and be out. Don't be greedy. And if you feel greed coming on, better nip it in the bud. Here's the 15-second chart of the trades. Entry, entry, exit, 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 exit. Greed, exit, greed. That looks like an interesting. What's the high of that? 25.055. Where did we, out of curiosity, let's take a look back. Where did we, it's always interesting just to look at turning points. You might find something. Should we watch this run up to 55? Just short of midpoint. Ready to see that blue line get tagged? Let's take a look. Not advice, no trade. Obviously we're not live, no one's watching, doesn't matter, but we're gonna watch and see. This looks like a good target. Oh, it's gonna get there in a hurry. It's getting everybody excited. Stop hunt. Fair value gap, right on that quadrant level. Order block. Consequent encroachment, midpoint of that wick. Oh, gonna take low, coming after it. Another breakaway gap right here. Let's see what happens at 2:30 in 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh, too funny. They should have less of these. These are funny. Turn the magnet on. New 5-minute coming up. Tiny volume imbalance. Consolidation. Here's the 1 minute. 5-minute. Going to make a 15-minute swing low in 3 minutes. Oh, wait. See, it's just consolidating there, and it's going to come say hi. Doesn't want people along for the ride, though. This bar is interesting. The open and the close are the same as the high and the low. That's probably a specific PD array as well, but undocumented, so we're just not going to talk about it. It's imbalanced on both ends. It's already taken the other side. It's going to come and grab the bottom side in a second here. Got 3 lows matched up with a BISI right here. And another pure accumulation. Right around upper quadrant. Magnet's getting stronger. 1.5 minutes. Or are they going to run it down? 1 more minute. And then we got 14:30. Sweeping under here. See, even when I watch this little stuff like this, it's so satisfying to know I was out right there. Did it go all the way? Nope. Did I have to be right? Nope. Did I make money? Yep. All right, the last 10 seconds. $14.30 is now. See, that 15-minute candle was actually bearish. Interesting. Stacking up more liquidity over here. High, high, high. I was working this 15-minute candle. Did I lose my magnet? Oh, no, I drew it on the 1 minute. There it is. I thought I drew it on the 15-second. Did it move on me? Oh, I moved it on a higher time frame chart. That's why. Duh. I'll take it. It's looking good. Works for me. Works for my green day. See? Green day. The numbers don't matter. Just the green matters. Time to go outside and take care of some yard work. The leaves are falling. Have yourselves a great day. It's going to come spike up there. Just curious. That magnet keeps getting turned on. Do you hear it humming? Gets you excited every once in a while, doesn't it? All right. Be safe. Make good decisions. But always remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Take care, everyone.